Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website live. First, it is crucial to finalize all your content, including text, images, and videos, across every page. Take a moment to review everything carefully for accuracy and completeness. Also, ensure your site looks fantastic on mobile devices, as over 50% of web traffic comes from phones. This preparation is key before taking your site public. Before hitting that publish button, let's ensure your site is truly ready. Optimize your images to load quickly, which significantly improves user experience and search engine ranking. Spend a few minutes reviewing your site's SEO settings, adding clear titles and descriptions for each page. Finally, thoroughly test every link and form to guarantee they work perfectly. These steps are vital for a smooth launch. Now for the exciting part, making your site live. In your Wix editor, simply locate and click the prominent Publish button. Once clicked, your website instantly becomes accessible online through a free Wix subdomain, like your username. Wix site, com/mysite. This means your content is now visible to anyone with the link, marking your official entry onto the web. To truly professionalize your online presence, you'll want to connect a custom domain. This requires upgrading to a Wix Premium plan. Once upgraded, navigate to your Wix dashboard and follow the straightforward steps to connect your own domain name, such as your company. .com. This gives your brand a unique and memorable web address, making it much easier for customers to find and remember you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.